I chose to pick a standard on constructive and deconstructive processes. This is a standard for 5th grade students, and it is obtain, evaluate, and communicate information to identify surface features on the earth caused by constructive and or destructive processes. Construct an argument supported by scientific evidence to identify surface features, and the examples include deltas, sand dunes, mountains, and volcanoes. And I'm going to be talking about volcanoes. And it also says as being caused by constructive and or deconstructive processes. Examples could include deposition, weathering, erosion, and impact of organisms, but I'm going to focus on volcanoes. I found a current event that talks about the volcano erupting in Hawaii, and it happened back in May. They said it was one of the largest volcano eruptions they've had in decades. The amount of lava could fill 100,000 Olympic swimming pools. So this would be a great current event to use to teach students, because they're very interested in things that are actually happening and that have happened. And we can also talk about how it is an explosive eruption and that it is considered deconstructive. But a mountain or a volcano is actually a mountain whenever it's not erupting. So we could talk about all other different kinds of volcanoes and just talk about constructive and destructive processes. We could use that for teaching. And I also listed another resource that we could use, and that it is a video of the actual a time lapse of the actual eruption of the volcano that happened in Hawaii. And that is all.